Have you ever wondered what would happen if 300 deadly virus samples just disappeared? Well, unfortunately, that exact situation just happened in Australia. In 3 minutes, I'll explain how these samples vanished, why this could spark a global crisis, and what no one is telling you. Last week, the QIMR Berghofer Medical Research Institute in Queensland, Australia, revealed a shocking breach. Samples of dangerous pathogens, including hantavirus, lyssavirus, and hendrovirus, may all be unaccounted for. Hantavirus, a deadly virus spread by rodents, causes severe illnesses like hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, or HPS, which has a mortality rate of up to 40%. This virus specifically attacks the lungs, leading to respiratory failure, and currently, there is no specific cure or vaccine available. Next up, the lyssavirus, which is a cousin of rabies, is just as deadly. This virus, found in bats, spreads through saliva, usually through bites or scratches. Once the symptoms start, it's almost always fatal, attacking the brain and nervous system with terrifying speed. Now you might be wondering, what makes this missing sample so concerning? Well, the biggest problem is that there's currently no cure once symptoms develop, and accidental exposure could lead to deadly outbreaks. In fact, the Australian bat lyssavirus, which is one of its strains, has already caused fatalities in humans. Therefore, a single mistake with this pathogen could have catastrophic consequences. Finally, we have the hendrovirus, one of the deadliest pathogens on the list. Spread from horses to humans, this virus has a mortality rate of up to 57% and can cause severe respiratory illness or encephalitis. This isn't just about research samples, it's about pathogens with pandemic level potential slipping through the cracks. Now, the lab in question is classified as a PC3 level containment facility, meaning it is specifically designed to handle these highly infectious agents. Yet, somehow its protocols failed. But how does something like this happen? According to early investigations, lab technicians believe the samples may have accidentally been destroyed after a freezer storing the samples broke down. However, there's a chilling possibility. What if they weren't? And that's exactly what has sparked fears about biosecurity failures. Biosecurity in labs like this are supposed to be airtight, so when a breach like this occurs, it raises serious questions. Is the system truly foolproof? And if not, what are the risks to the general public? For now, officials assure the public that there's no immediate risk, but let's be real. When potentially lethal viruses go unaccounted for, no risk doesn't exactly inspire confidence. Missing samples could mean lost research, accidental exposure, or worse, an opportunity for bioterrorism. This case is a wake-up call for the global scientific community. It's a stark reminder that biosecurity isn't just about high-tech labs, it's also about constant vigilance and accountability. So, what do you think about this Australian lab virus breach? Subscribe for more health and fitness stories explained.